like you move your literal controller, like you move it. Like you can just move it. Oh no, it's crazy, bro.
Wait,
and
what,
you know
what does it do?
You know what's
though?
crazy? What do you mean? Like you just, if you're just, because some people don't really like want to use the thumbsticks anymore. You don't have to use your thumbsticks to move
your controller.
Your literal controller. Yeah, come here, I'm playing.
What? What is it? The controller just detects
bro,
that?
you want to know something crazier too? You want to know something crazier too?
What?
Well, team on us. We gotta watch out. Here, I don't really have mats for you. Here, take. Take it.
Yeah.
Do you need AR? That one?
Yeah, why not?
Good, 12.
My shotgun. My God.
We're good. They might.
Let him shoot.
Nice, bro. What?
I freaking
nice
150'd him.
Where's he at? Where's the teammate at?
I was up top.
I'm in me. 27 white.
1 HP. Literally 1. That guy's. I'm gonna freaking no-scope him. I'm gonna quick-scope him. Hello, hi. Nice shot, dude.
What was I saying? Pull it down. Like just a tiny bit of pull. It has no recoil. I'm keying him.
Wait, what?
How's he burning?
Wow. I'm hitting him with a freaking heavy shotgun right now.
Yeah. You want to take the porta potty? It's so risky, but I'm down.
I'm doing it. Do it. Risking for the biscuit.
Oh, yeah. Risky for the biscuit. Biscuit risking.
I'm popping a big one. Yeah, big one.
Come here. Take this. No, we're good. Pick it up. On me.
The logs. Dead.
On me.
Alright, I'm gonna have to pick this up here.
Item 20, blue. Getting his box.
Almost no scope him.
On me. What is he?
Dead. We have another
team.
Oh, imagine I hit that shot.
I'm a full box.
Oh my God! Imagine guys.
I need help.
But there's a guy on my height here.
I have no mats. No, I need help.
Okay, coming. Where are you?
On height. I need help.
I have so many mats.
I need mats. Can you get to me? Can you get to me?
I got you. There's one shot.
I'm with you. What a friend you are, man.
My guy hits shots. Jesus.
Yeah. You know why he hit it though, right? You know, I don't have to explain to you. You know exactly why he hit that, right?
What?
Because he was 1 HP.
I
I don't know how true that is, but
I hit these no scopes right now.
I think I got 21.
Dead. 2 piece.
Quick scope. Oh.
And,
oh God, Ronaldinho.
You like
nice
that?
shot.
Because I love that, guys. I love that.
I love you guys. How much mass you got? I have like 400.
Boat coming in.
What I mean? Oh God, that missile's on my head. Crackado. Blanco.
Oh my God, there's birds coming in hot here.
He's 1 HP. I'm in. On my head.
Dead.
On my head. I'm up. Call them Fred.
Okay, well I just can't hit. I can't hit a shot right now.
Tell him wow. I don't even know he was that close.
Ooh, max damage, pumpy.
Right on you.
Yeah, I'm good. Full box.
He's coming.
I might be dead here. Oh, 162. He's dead. Dead. Our team.
Teammate.
There's a lot of action going on here.
Another team as well.
Oh, is it?
Another team.
Another team. 144. I'm hitting freaking pump shots right now. Jesus.
For real.
Edit.
Editing.
I gotta heal real quick.
Wait, I dropped my freaking SMG.
I have 6 splashes.
Yeah, yes. Use them. Use 2. Right here. I'm spraying down. Somebody.
Where's the edit? Hey,
Nice. More splash.
Let's go.
Nice, Franco.
My pump is hitting like numbers right now. I'm loving it. They're fighting right here.
Yeah, hold on. You gotta wait. I'm like kind of weak too, Franco.
I'd hit a no scope on this guy. Never mind.
Tell him what. We're on a win streak and I'm only 100 HP, Franco.
Dead.
Nice.
Your shield keg on
yeah,
me.
man. I'm going. They're fighting on height. Look, or he's built fight. I don't know what he's doing. Shoot him out. Shoot him out. Shoot him out. I'm in, man.
Oh, I'm dead.
What up?
Yeah, I didn't mean to do that. Thief, armored walls, 10 of them. I'm dropping
Kill
low.
them.
Yeah, 10.
Jump.
You gotta place him. Armored wall. I dropped you 10.
I got him.
Yeah, nice.
I just gotta go low ground.
Yeah, in the building. Go in the building. Oh, actually, you're just on the wall. Yeah,
I
yeah.
can just do it on, I can
Oh,
do it
you
right
have to make sure you're on the level to do it.
here.
Yeah, that's perfect. They're here. Nice.
I saw white health disappear over there.
What the heck?
It's like clownberries. 5 or 6 clownberries right there. There's a purple crow as well.
Cranberries. Wait, is he rebooting?
I don't think so. There's
Oh, I heard
some
someone flying.
meatloaf on me. Do you need meatloaf?
Nah, I'm good.
I take. Yeah, you do. Need to.
Oh, I do, yeah.
He's
I'm looking for this
spectating.
guy right now. I don't see him. Yo, Perp, thank you so much for the freaking 6 months up, Perp. Thank you for using your prompt on me as well, Perp. Thank you. I feel like someone's in here. No one's in here.
Oh, on me. Oh, I'm 1 HP. I'm actually 1. In the building.
190 on 1.
Item 60 or 50.
Dead. Other guy's 190. Hit him for other guy for 190.
He probably left, yeah.
He's under.
Left.
He's under.
He's right.
Yeah, I'm gonna freaking scan him.
Oh, he left.
And he's dead. Last guy, we trick shot him.
Yeah, I need a sniper.
I saw a blue
Maybe
one.
we keep the
I saw a
scanner.
blue one.
Maybe we
Oh!
on height.
Oh gosh. Oh, I almost hit him with
He's
that.
a sweat. He's a sweat.
He knows what he's doing.
You want to just kill him?
Yeah. Oh, walks.
I had him
Take it
40.
out.
60. Crack.
I'm trick shot
He's
him.
like 80 HP.
Oh my! I almost hit him.
He's Yo, he's going for pump shots from distance. Distant pumps, Marco. Distant
I
pumps.
like that.
Distant
Oh,
pumps.
he's lucky at the reload. Nice. GG.
No.
G to the G.